Is PLR too hard to do? It's easy to buy. It's a lot of fun to buy. And I should know, I probably bought thousands of dollars worth of PLR. Admit it. I know you've done it. Right? And the question is, what do you do with it? Should I turn it into this? Should I turn it into a course? Should I do that and make a product? So one of the questions I get is PLR too hard to do? Something like that. So I'll show you 3 things that you can do. And it's probably 95% of everything you really have to do. It's simple, it's easy, and it's in this video. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products and make money with PLR. So the first thing is you have to find the PLR, and I've done videos about that. I recommend plr.me, Tools for Motivation, Content Sparks, and there's some other ones, and I'll put all of the links below this video in the description. So just to save time, I don't think it's necessary to go into their websites and show you what they are, because you can go to those videos that I've already made for you. Okay, so let's pretend that you bought a product from one of the vendors that I mentioned in the description below this video. So I'll show you what I got last October. It's an ebook called How to Get People Who Aren't Spending a Penny to Start Buying From You. The first thing is, it's a mouthful. It really is. And it's a wonderful PLR product. Not only is it PLR, but I also have the master resale rights. So I could sell it as a PLR product. And I looked at the license that it comes with. So that's the first thing you want to do is, can you really do it legally? So it's nice. It's a good book. The thing is, it's not very pretty. It's basic, but that's PLR. That's the whole schmeal. And I turned it into this. Right? Disclaimer. Everything. It's pretty. It's formatted. And it's a real product. It really is. I could sell it as a PLR product for, let's say, $67, something like that, where they could buy the PLR from me and repurpose it and put their name on it, PLR. Or I could sell it as a product, maybe a lead magnet, something like $15, $17, whatever the license allows me to do. So the first thing was I changed this, and I changed the title because I think it's like a mouthful. Instead of that, I like how to get people to start buying from you. It's more concise, and I like it better. I also have a subhead. Do you want to know how to get people to buy from you? So those are the things that a lot of people want to know. And I know when I sell this, people will buy it. Next, I changed a few things. I basically left most of the text intact. I changed the font. I changed a few words because Philip, who's the vendor of this product, he's from the UK. So they speak a completely different language than mine. So I have to change a few of those things in the product. But I think it looks prettier. And if I really wanted to change this, I would put a table of contents up here and maybe even some graphics just to make it even better. So that's step 2. So remember, step 1 is find the PLR that you want, and 2, go through it and change it a bit. And step 3 is the cover. You can go from this to this. And how do you do it? I use CANVA. Why not? There's a link in the description for CANVA. You could get it for free, and you could do this with the free version. I get the pro version. It's not a lot of money. It's virtually free for what you get. So I made two versions of this. This is for the front page of the product, and then there's this for the ebook cover. What's the difference? I added a spine. So when you use this version, you download that and you get to this page. I highly recommend getting eCover Authority, and you can make eCovers like these. Beautiful. That's how I made something like this. I made the cover in CANVA. I used eCover Authority, and look at that. It's just stunning. Love it. And just to show you, it's not a lot of money. It's $47 one time. It's not yearly. It's $47 one time. And I use this all the time. It's one of the best tools you'll ever use. Between eCover Authority and CANVA, you got it all. So to answer the question, is this really difficult to do? Is it really hard to use PLR? I don't think so. If you just get started, don't worry about making a mistake, because you know what? You can always change it. You can change the cover, change the text, upload a new one. But if you just get started, download a product, change from one version to the other, just start changing it, make it yours, put your name on it, get the free version of CANVA, get the eCover Authority, and you're ready to go. Seriously. So it's not as difficult as most people make it out to be. PLR it's one of the best things that we could use in our businesses, because we own it, we can use it, you can make it yours like a ghostwriter does, and you can make a living with this, making courses, books, and everything. It's easier than you think. All of the tools that I mentioned in this video are in the description below this video. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.